Do you want affordable HVAC repair or maintenance in Pensacola, Florida? Get in touch with Air Energy of NWFL today. Air Energy of NWFL has launched a newly updated air conditioning service for homeowners in the local area. Their focus is on growing the industry within the local community and providing the highest quality service. The team provides fast and efficient service to ensure that customers feel comfortable during the hot and humid summer in Florida. Their service trucks are fully stocked for emergency situations and they provide fast call-out as and when required. As part of their commitment to high-quality service, a free quote and consultation service is provided. Air Energy of NWFL offers affordable maintenance plans to help customers save on service fees. Find out more at airenergynwfl.com.